Hello guys, welcome back to Whitelock 7th grade math lesson 3, and let's get started. So first we have a graph, and it says use the graph above to answer questions 1, 2, 3. So look at the graph above. Which flower has 3 petals? Be sure to show your work. So let's look at the graph first. So there are 4 flowers, and these petals stretch and the final numbers end at these 4 flowers. So in order to find how many petals one flower has, we need to find how many 4 flowers have, how many petals 4 flowers have in total, and divide it by 4. So let's get started. So over here, we need to find a flower with 3 petals. So let's first look at the Mariposa lily. We go to 4 flowers, go up. The Mariposa lily stops at 12. So we do the math. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Oh, we need to show this as work. So then now the answer will be the Mariposa lily. Number 2, how many petals does a violet have? We go to violet. So we draw a line. I'll make sure mine's straight this time. And it's 20, so we need to divide 20 over 4 equals 5. So the final answer will be C. Number 3, which flower has 4 petals? Be sure to show your work. So we need to find the flower with 4. So we already did the violet and the Mariposa lily. So it's either the tulip or rose. Let's look at the tulip. Tulip has 16. So let's see if tulip is right. 16 over 4 equals 4. So that's correct. So the final answer will be C, tulip. And now moving on to number 4. 5 flies have 20 wings and 7 flies have 28 wings. How many wings does a fly have? Be sure to show your work. So if 5 flies have a total of 20 wings, we need to divide by 5. And the 7 flies have a total of 28 wings, we need to divide by 7. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 28 divided by 7 is 4. They're equal, so the final answer is B, 4. So these are fairly basic questions, and moving on to solve for the variable. X plus 8 equals 13. First thing, always do the opposite of PEMDAS, which is addition and subtraction first. Subtract by 8 on both sides to get x equals 5. So moving on to number 2, we have 16. So we need to subtract by 16. 25 minus 16 is 9. The answer will be y equals 9. Number 3, z minus 11 equals 1. You need to add 11 to both sides to get z equals 12. Number 5, there's no addition or subtraction, so we need to move on to the next step, which is multiplication and division. Over here is 5w, so in order to isolate the w, we need to divide by 5 to get w equals 4. Moving on to number 5, 8b equals 72. Just like number 4, there's no addition or subtraction, so we need to do division or multiplication. In this case, we need to divide by 8 to get b equals 9. Over here, instead of dividing by 8, we need to multiply by 8 to isolate the f. Cross that on both sides. 4 times 8 equals f equals 32. And number 7, 7x minus 9 equals 19. Add 9 to both sides to get 7x equals 28. Divide by 7 and get x equals 4. So yeah, those are answers, and we'll be now moving on to true or false questions. Is the number a solution of the equation? So over here, we just need to plug in this number, which is said to be the solution, to the variable which is x in this case, to see if it equals 17. So if we plug in 8, it will be 8 plus 9 equals 17. And this is indeed 17. And 17 does equal 17. So this will be true. Moving on to number 2. 9 plus 4y equals 17. And the solution is said to be 1. Plug it in. 9 plus 4 times 1 is 4 equals 17. 9 plus 4 is 13. But 13 is not equal to 17. So this will be false. Over here, it's 5. Plug it into F. 6 times 5 is 30. Minus 7 equals 29. But 30 minus 7 is actually 23. So it does not equal 29. So this will be false. Over here, k divided by 5 plus 9 equals 11. And the solution said it would be 10. Plug it in. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Plus 9 is indeed 11. So this will be true. R divided by 3 minus 4 equals 4. The solution is said to be 12. Plug it in. 12 over 3 is 4. Minus 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. So these are not equal, so this will be false. Find the final question. 15 minus 4y equals 6. And the solution said to be 2. Plug it in. 15 minus 4 times 2 is 8 equals 6. 15 minus 8 is actually 7, and 7 is not equal to 6, so this will be false. So the answer should be 2 truths and 4 false. So yeah, this lesson was fairly quick and easy, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.